Did you know that your Galaxy S25 Ultra can warn you about dangerous situations in your area? These are called extreme threats alert, and they cover serious risks to life and property. Here's how to manage them. First, go to Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Then tap Notification. Tap Advanced Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Wireless Emergency Alert. First, make sure Allow Alert is turned on. Then you will see the option for extreme threats. Just enable or disable it depending on whether you want to receive this alert. If this on, you will get notified of emergencies like natural disaster. If it's off, you won't see those warnings. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.